Hey, what is up guys, it is Isaac here, welcome to the very first episode here on the Skyblock server. So let's go and start off with our little advanced key here in the start of the episode. Oh my god.
Trying to find my way, I'm feeling so lost. Finally in the zone, I got a focus. But that can be an issue, I'm addicted to the work. It's all I ever want to do, pursue the purpose that I'm pleading for. And need a more than pity, man, and minuscule opinions. Picking apart the immaculate, happily apathetic, and naturally authentic. Descendants is sentimental, like the words are just a piece of my...
And we have finally hit level 100, and now we're going to buy our first experience key, which is going to be hopefully a pretty good key. Just before we actually head into that, I just want to announce that if we can hit 5 subscribers and 10 likes on this video, I'm going to do facecam next episode.